Kalsubai Peak, a trekking that demands respect. Its summit, located at 1646 meters, is the highest point in Maharashtra. But it's the journey to the mountain itself which makes way for the desire to reach its peak. Surrounded by lush green vegetation and water bodies, it makes a perfect trekking destination for many, especially during the rainy season. So what are we waiting for? Let's get ready. We are gonna be catching a train to Kasara and then a share taxi to Bari village. This is my first time to the mountain, so I need to be on time for everything. Gotta be prepared, just in case anything goes wrong. And what better than heading for a trek with two good friends? Journey becomes a little more special with smiling faces. Word of advice: if you are planning a one-day trip, start early in the morning. It's gonna be a sleepy journey. I am not much of a sleeping personality. I love enjoying nature, and also I love listening to the rattling of the wheels of the train. You have a lot of shops to have your breakfast and snacks at Kasara station. Also, you have a lot of cabs available if you want to separately hire one for yourself. Beware, they are always on their toes to fool you. Share taxis are very reasonable, but if you are claustrophobic, I wouldn't suggest. Also, if you have a vomiting tendency, it's a big no. The road to the mountain base is pretty bumpy, so take your decisions wisely. There's a guarantee of one thing though, all throughout your travel to the mountain base. You will not stop being in awe of nature. As your vehicle goes higher on the altitude, it will just get more beautiful. It's a different experience altogether when you're surrounded by fog on all sides. I still wonder how the driver was sighting anything ahead of him. And here we are. We have reached the mountain base, Bari village. Like kids, we go crazy seeing water. We just started our climb, and this is how beautiful it already looks. It's not always about the journey. Sometimes all you need to do is sit back and enjoy where you are with the ones you have with you, and maybe share a smile or two. Kalsubai stands tall with all its glory as every other mountain bows before it. No one told us that the climb was going to be easy and not tough and tiring. Now it is on to us. Either we enjoy the climb or keep complaining. Cause the peak will have its own charm. Hello guys, and welcome back, and we are on our way back, and as you can see, it's just getting more and more beautiful even as we go down. There's Solomon, and we have climbed all the way down. Yeah. And that's Tushar, and that's the mountain that we have just come down. It's just beautiful, and it's getting a lot pretty. Just keep moving, in fact. That would be the better thing to do. Let's keep moving guys. And here we go, and this is gonna get adventurous, and if you can see Solomon there, and there we have Tushar. Let's move. Chalo.
And it's getting a little tricky, it's getting a little difficult, but it's okay. It's fine. It's absolutely fine. And there we go. Let's keep moving. Let's keep absolutely moving. And here I am, and there they come. There are many more coming. Oh yeah, my baal bad gaye hain. Woo. It's beautiful, isn't it? It's definitely beautiful. And I would want to actually show you the climb. I hope you can see it behind me. There we are. Check that out. I'm not sure how much you can see here, but we keep going. We have people coming down, and hello guys. So we are on the way down, and this is how it looks. We are descending at the moment from the mountain, and we have some company as well, and it's beautiful. It's just mesmerizing. You can check the mountains. It's completely covered by clouds, so it's a little difficult to actually see it. And yeah, and here we go. If you can check, everyone climbing down. If you can notice that, yeah, it's a little difficult. They descend down. It's not that easy. So I'll keep my eyes on the path. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm coming. So here we are. हम लोगों का यहाँ पे we have some electric wires that have been railed up for the villages, but we do not have electricity as of now. They have disconnected it because it sometimes gets short-circuited. So here we are, and here I run. So, and there we are, following up, and I have Solomon here, and also hi guys. And we also have he's not Pratyush, he is Tushar. There he is, and we have another company. I've forgotten his name. Divyansh. Wow. So we have him. He's also from Mumbai. So we have company, as I said. And okay, we keep going, and until next video, here we are signing out.
1,000 memories I carry with myself today, and yet another 1,000 reasons to laugh about. Climb is not at all difficult, guys, but yes, it's a long one. But if you are determined, you are up for a treat. Don't forget to enjoy every step you take. These are times you will not get back, so live it to the fullest.